He fed nations, but couldn't stop his own from falling. Herbert Hoover. Hoover rose from nothing, orphaned, self-made, a man who saved millions from starvation during war. But when he became president, the Great Depression hit hard, and the world blamed him for a storm no one could control. He proved even the strongest leaders break when fate hits faster than logic. But falling doesn't erase the good you've done. From global hero to national scapegoat, Herbert Hoover became the 30th President of the United States. But darkness always awakens a fighter. In episode 31, you'll meet Franklin D. Roosevelt, the man in a wheelchair who lifted a nation back to its feet.